Hello everyone, welcome to you my YouTube channel VB Automation Tutorial Point. If you are new on this channel, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to get the updated videos. So guys, in this video just we will talk about or we will learn that how to update the MS Word documents, right, with the help of Excel, right, from the Excel user form, right. So guys, I'll show you the user for just Word, right. This is the Word document, right, we have, and this is the letter, it's a one type of letter which just every company or which I need to send to the customer. So what I want, I just want I want the customer name and address will be automatic, just will be updated automatically from the just user form, right. So how would I do that? So for this just first we will just create just we will add a bookmark, right. So here just go to the insert tab, right, and what I'll do is I'll make the bookmark for those text which I want to change with the help of user form, right. So now what I'll do is I'll simply select this customer name and going to the insert, and here I have a bookmark. So I'll I'll name it as a customer name, right, and just click on the add, and here I have another text which I also want to update from the user form. I simply select and click on bookmarks, and I just name it as an address and simply click on add, right. So now what I'll do is I'll simply save it, and now I'm going to the coding window. So guys, here I have a just user form. So with the help of this user form I want to change the word, right. So I simply when I insert the value in the this user form, it's automatically updated in the this word this word file. So how would I do that? So let me show you the code, or let me write a code. Just click on the button. So what I'll do is I'll add the library, go to the tool and go to the reference here, and here I have that is Microsoft Word 14.0 object library, right. So guys, it's depend on your version what you are using. So I'm using a MS Word 10, right, MS Office 10. So for this I am adding this library. So you also need to add this library as per your Microsoft version, right. So now what I'll do is I'll declare a one variable, that is word app, as in word dot application, right. And here I am declaring a one more object, we can say that is object doc as word doc document, right. So guys, here we have a two type of binding, that is later binding and early binding. So I'm using a early binding here. So now what I'll do is I'll set the word map app equal to new word dot application, and I'm also set the word document, that is word document equal to word app dot documents dot open, right. And here I need to write the path, that is equal to, so here I need to pass the path of this letter, right. I simply copy it and I simply paste it here, right. And here that is the read only, another parameters, that is read only. Yes, that is true, right? So with the help of this, just I'll open the specified document, just this specific documents in the read only format, right? So now I need to visible the Word application, right? So now what I'll do is I'll simply Word document now dot bookmark, right? And I need to pass the bookmark what I have created. I created a bookmark, that is customer name dot range dot text, right, equal to text box 2 dot text. And I have another bookmark, that is dot bookmark, that is I have address, right? And here I have range dot text equal to, I need, that is text box 3 dot text, right? So now what I'll do is I'll save this documents with the new name, that is save as. I simply copy this path, right, what I have, and just in double quotes. So sorry guys, sorry for this. So I want to save this documents on the desktop with, that is notice, right, with text box 2, right? So now what I'll do is I'll close this, right, document close with changes. Now I need to close the Word app as well dot quit. So guys, that's it. So I'll just mention that is done. So now I'm saving it, right? So now what I'll do is I'll simply save and close here, right? And here is the template which I have, right? So now I'll execute my code and show you the output, right, one by one. So I'm just, so my customer name is, that is Rahul, right, address is Delhi 6. I'm just click on the print. So now you can see that is done, right? My letter has printed, right? So these values are just inserted in the letter, and the new letter has been generated. The name is, you can see that here, that is notice.rahul. Now you can see that here is only the two things has been changed, that is customer name, right, and his address. But here now you can see our template is same. Here we have a template, that is this. So right, so guys, this is the code to how to update the Word letter, right, Word document text from the Excel user form in, right, using a VBA code, right guys. So guys, that's it for this video, right? So please, just if you have any concern, any query, just write your comment in the comment box. I'll get back to you on that. So guys, thanks for the watching.